be a happy and seriously very warm for all of us. My condolence goes to the Plateau State. We have to stop the carnage. We have to take care of our people, make life more sacred, and educate our people for a change of mindset in the circumstances that we have. Nigeria belongs to all of us, and we have to take care of it. I'm glad the faces I'm seeing here today, and Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers, I read your statement. I say thank you very much for that statesmanship broadcast and reliance on peace. It's only with peace that we can govern, and governance has started, in earnest. To some of you, I don't wear football cap for Nigeria unity, a Bokkos cap that say bye-bye to ignorance and poverty and renew our hope. Luckily, most of the man is there. It's not still his home. And we are spared that for all of us.
That will happen, right?
Yes, to many of you, there is one government. Before you got here, I think about you and myself, we are reviewing the elements of the body. I will come to your meeting to spell out what am I thinking. We'll touch on judiciary and the reform there too. We'll come on the main point of structure. And I will say bye-bye to classification of federal or rural or state roads. Let's regard all those as our joint responsibility. If I have to stay in Abuja alone, it's not easy. Let's look at our children. The school feeding must be done quickly, starting from local government to state government and the federal government. All children are our own. We have to be ready to protect them and look into their future. And look at economic opportunity that is available to us right now. Let me leave you to enjoy your lunch. We will have time to talk more. Nigeria is looking to have all of you. I have a very lucky president too, because I'm one of you. So let's go and have lunch. May you have a very, very happy and rewarding Christmas and New Year, and know that you long life in good health, and give Nigeria peace and stability that is required to move our native land forward and upstream. God bless Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.